Some mornings, you don't need a reason to go. You just need the right boat. This is the Azimut Fly 72. Built in Avigliana, Italy. The kind of build quality that shows up when you're 3 hours from the nearest harbor and the water turns. Every deck is built to be lived on, not just crossed. Past the point before the rest of the marina wakes up. Plenty of push when the afternoon weather starts building. You're past the inlet and into open water before most people finish their coffee. Flybridge Lounge drops you into the sun. Cockpit opens straight to the cushions. Foredeck sunpad up top, out of the wake, out of the way. Flybridge dining for the whole crew, shaded under the hardtop. Foredeck sunpad for the ones who'd rather have the sun straight on. Cockpit lounge stays set for whoever wanders back with a drink in hand. Golden hour running puts the coastline on fire behind you. That's the moment worth chasing all day. Down below, 4 cabins wait for whenever the day's done. But this isn't a boat you retreat into. It's a boat you live on top of, from the first light on the water to the last color in the sky. This isn't a boat you look at on a Saturday. It's a boat you're already on by 8 in the morning. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.